This conference will now be recorded.
Hello guys, welcome back. So now once again sort key itself, but this time configurations, how sort key is going to be configured. It's very simple guys. Now here we'll do one thing. If you check here in this real master, multiple sort key is already delivered by SAP. Here multiple sort key is there. But recently I had one requirement from my client and they were saying that there is one requirement. What was the requirement guys? I'll tell you. The requirement was this assignment field must be updated with the reference value or reference key. What is happening guys, based on the assignment, whatever the fields are getting updated here, based on the assignment, what is happening, they can apply some filter and they can get the reports. Okay, this is just like sorting criteria, we can say that they can use as a sorting criteria. Let's suppose here we are having like document type, so you can sort in the sense like, let's suppose you can click here and apply a filter and only AB document type. What I'm giving document type AB. Now look at here, only one transaction got posted. This is a reversal entry. Hope you guys are able to remember. So now likewise, even assignment field also is getting updated with certain values. So based on the assignment field also, they can apply some filter and they can get the report. This is what they use. Now here, the requirement from client side was, what was the requirement that I'll show you. Now, so client is saying that the reference field must be updated. Okay, here, click here and I'm going to remove the filter. Let me remove the filter. Okay, so now the requirement is assignment field must be updated. Where is the assignment field guys? Assignment field will be here. So, sorry, reference field must be updated in assignment. So here is the reference field. Here is the reference field, right? So whatever input I'm going to give is going to be given here. Suppose test 1 or test 2. So whatever inputs are going to be given here, this must be updated where? In assignment field. So what will happen guys? It means now you have to create, either you have to, if it is already delivered by SAP, then no need to create, you need to select that, what to say, sort key. And if it is not there, then you have to set up a new sort key. So I'll show you guys for this reference field and all, SAP has not delivered any, sorry, for reference field, there is no any sort key has been delivered by SAP. So what will happen here? I will just do one thing guys. I'm going to set up a new sort key. Okay, how to set up a new sort key guys? Use transaction code OB16 to set up a new sort key. System is saying that this is cross client. No issues, just press enter and click on new entry. And here sort key. So which code are you going to give? Guys, here the length of this code will be 3-digit. 3-digit means either you can give numeric digit, alphanumeric or alphabetic. Anything can be given. Okay, numeric is already given by SAP. You can check here. Numeric digit means like sequence wise it is given. Sequence wise 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if you want to give numeric itself, then you have to check like, okay, this sequence already, is there any number which is not there? Look at here, 13 is not there, then 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Again, this 19, 20 is not there, right? Then we are having 20, 28 is not there, 30 is not there. So any number can be used. I'm going to use this 13, 013. Okay. So now I'm going to give a code here. What is the sort key? Code 013. It could be alphabetic also, it could be alphanumeric also. And here I'm going to give descriptions, reference key. Okay. Now here you need to give the name of, technical name of the reference field, reference key. Okay, so if you know, it's okay. If you don't know, then what is happening guys, you can click on this drop down and try to find out. From here you click on find button and give REF and press enter. So look at here, now reference details, If you're going to click on find next, again invoice reference. So multiple confusion will be there for you guys. I know that which field I'm supposed to select, but for you guys, like you're a beginner, you're a freshers, again for you, like multiple reference fields are appearing. So how you will come to know that which reference field supposed to be, because every reference field is having different, technical name. Field name will be, this is called technical name and this is the functional name. We know, just find next. Look at your reference key one, right? So we know that reference key, but here this is the technical name. So technical consultant know this field by this name. Okay, we are not from technical background in the sense like we are not the technical consultant, so we have nothing to do with these things. But there, here, what you have to do, guys, you have to give the technical name. So how to find out the technical name of a particular field, guys? It is quite simple. I'll show you. So now here, client is saying that the reference field must be updated in assignment. So you just do one thing. Where is the reference field, guys? Use FD50 transaction code. And here, look at here, this is the reference field. So you need to press F1 button over there. Okay. For some of the people, F1 button, if you're going to press F1 button, this window will appear. For some of the people, what is happening, guys? F1 alone, F1 button is not going to work out. You have to press Fn plus F1 button. It means function plus F1 button. So it's totally depends upon your whatever laptop you're using and the whatever the shortcut key is there, right? So here F1 button you need to press. Okay. Now look at here, reference document number. You need to click on here. This technical information. Look at here, this hammer symbol. Click on technical information. And look at here the field name. This is what the field name. This is called the technical field name, right? XBLNR. This is called XBLNR. Copy this one. So you got the technical field name easily, guys. Now here you come back. So either you can give here or else, like I'll show you guys now here find button. So I'll just show you. If you give this one, look at here, here is the reference. Before that, multiple reference field was also appearing. So now it is going to confuse you. So better to get exact field from that. If you press F1 button in that particular field, immediately you will come to the field name and that field name can be given. So either you can double click here or else you can copy and paste over there. Here you can paste the field name and length. The field length also. So I think reference field is having 18-digit length, so you have to give 18-digit. Press enter. Look at here, this got updated automatically, right? So here you can count also here, right? Here you can count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like that. You can press like this. You can count. So 18-digit I've given here and save it. But if you save it, if you save this, for you guys, like this field is going to be blank. It is going to appear like this. Nothing here and nothing here. So in that case, because this is a different kind of transport request, guys. Earlier, whatever transport request was getting generated, that is workbench. Sorry, that is customized transport request, and this is workbench request. Okay. So what you have to do, you need to click on create request. Click on create request, guys, for you guys, and you can give your. I'm going to give data motor here. You can give your company code. Any descriptions can be given here and press enter. So now these changes are going to be saved on this transport request. Click here, continue. So what we have done, guys, now I have created my own sort key. It means we have created our own sort key. Now what to do? Pretty simple. Come back to the GL master and click on edit here. Okay, do one thing, guys. Select, click on edit, and then this time 013013. Press enter. Look at your reference key. Save it. So once I post a transaction. Now look at here what is happening. /n FB 50. Always refresh the screen because changes we have made just now. And this screen is open before the changes, right? So in this case, possibility is there that the moment you are going to post the transactions, system will not consider it. Okay. Now, so give your date, GL account number, debit, credit, whatever it is. Now I'm going to give 999 and debit again 999. And here in assignment field, right? Assignment field anything. Let's suppose I'm going to give Kumar Consulting. Okay, so I've given this assignment field. Now save it. Okay, sorry, the testing was wrong, guys. Okay, actually I was supposed to give here in reference field, right? So by mistake I have given in assignment field. Anyway, if you are going to check it, here, then assignment field is updated with Kumar Consulting itself, right? Now I'm going to give this same, this one in reference field, okay? And I'll give Kumar Consulting 1, and let me check. So sorry, actually I was supposed to give here, but I don't know, like I made a mistake. So here, Kumar Consulting, okay? So look at here, or else like, because field length is less, 1 I'm going to give like this, shortcut. And here, debit, now this time 1100. Okay, nothing else. Simply I've given reference here, Kumar CONS 1, right? Save it. Now this time what is happening, guys? If the assignment field got updated with that reference value, it means our sort key creation is correct, it's working fine. If not updated, it means somewhere some mistake is there. Of course, it is going to be updated, guys. Look at here. This is what? 1100, right? This is got updated. So this is what the use of sort key, guys. Sort key is going to be what, guys? Sort key is going to be used for which purposes? So with the help of sort key, system is going to update, SAP is going to update this assignment field automatically. Okay, this is what the logic behind this sort key. So I hope it's quite easy to understand, guys. It's very simple configurations, and the logic also I have explained even in previous session also I have explained you the things practically. So never forget, did not to mug up the definitions, guys. You have seen practically, you have tested it, you also have to test it practically, right? And once you have tested practically, then I don't think that you guys are going to forget, right? So there are some people who is looking for interview question and answers. I'll mug up this and I'll go for interview. I'll tell you guys that is not going to work out, because if you mugged up the questions and answers, and if you went for interview, once the interviewer is going to ask the questions, let's suppose, so if even if you forgot, like even if you forgotten two or three words also, that then the entire definition itself is going to be changed. But if understanding is there, 100% you guys are going to explain the things. So that's all in this session, guys. So that's all in this session.